Welcome to the HP Configuration Center, a new tool available in HP Print OS, where you can remotely configure large format printers from any location at any time. After opening the application, the device's dashboard displays, listing all of your printers and any on-device recommended actions. The 4 color cards on the dashboard represent the 4 recommended on-device actions, including printhead alignment, color calibrations, packages to install, and firmware updates. In this example, the printhead alignment card shows a pending printhead alignment. This means there is one printer in need of attention. Under Recommended On-Device Actions, you can see a list of all printers across all sites on a single page. In the list, you can also find additional details for each printer, such as color-coded icons for on-device recommended actions, the last substrate package installed, and the date of the last backup. If a printer model or firmware version is not supported by HP Configuration Center, it will display at the bottom of the dashboard. Select a color card to view all printers requiring operator action in order to achieve consistent color configurations. The next view is Substrate Packages, where you can find a history of all substrate packages sent to your printers. For each deployed package, you can view the last package deployment date, the package status, the number of substrate profiles included, the package creation date, and the printer model it was deployed to. By default, the substrate packages are listed by deployment date. You can also sort substrate packages into different lists. Select the Sort drop-down option, and then choose how you want to sort the substrate package information. You can also sort by package status, such as pending, installed, or canceled. Click on a specific package to view additional information, such as deployment date, status, and type. Under the Substrates heading, you can view the substrate profiles included in the package, as well as the manufacturer, version type, and source. At the top of the page, you can choose to delete, modify, clone, or deploy a package to another printer in the same printer family. Click the menu icon and then click Substrate Library. Under My Substrates, you can view a detailed list of all deployed custom substrate profiles. Under HP Media Locator, you can directly access any substrate profiles certified by HP from or included in the HP Media Locator app. Under Reseller Substrates, you can view a list of substrates shared by your reseller through the HP Service Center app. Now you're all set to remotely monitor your printer's substrate configurations from any location at any time. Enjoy the new HP Configuration Center app.